which is called milk, feeding on the milk. Prayer, lifting up your hands and mind, is the beginning of your life. But warfare is the product of fellowship. It says, observe to do. You will do. So when you are in the place, in the face of crisis and before the adversary and before the enemy, and you begin to talk to God, that is misplaced. It's not I don't condemn it totally. I don't say you shouldn't. If you are not ready, you are not ready. You have to beg for rescue. But at the point when you meet the enemy at the gate, the Bible calls it commandment. See, when you observe to do, commandment will be given. Commandment is not just laws. You will know commandment, 10 commandments. Commandment is not just law, it's an injunction. You see, when you are being trained as a military man, you write series of exams in paper. You are asked a solution to a particular war situation. You are asked that how can you come out of a particular battalion, what you answer on paper. But when you now appear in the battlefield and you see an assembly of the foe, of the enemy, of the adversary, and you are under a siege, and your commander asks you, so how can we get out of this? You don't pick paper and pen. Most times as Christians, what we do is to turn our warfare to a prayer session. When it is time for warfare, you come with a mandate, you come with a verdict, you come with a commandment, you come with an injunction. When you come with an injunction from the Lord, the enemy has two options: either to willingly vacate, or you and the angels or the battalion or the warriors that are with you will vacate the enemy. Lifting up your hearts and mind to God. Then after prayer, what happens? After prayer, what happens? Are you ready to contend with the enemy at the gate? You see, when you say that, you are looking onto a situation and you're saying that I have prayed and nothing happened. The problem is not with the prayer. The problem is that you have not obtained the commandment. A commandment is an instruction from Yahweh. It's a mandate that has got life. The words of God are not just words. There are living words. There are might. There are soldiers of might and power. The words of commandment of the Lord is a command born by soldiers and military mights of heaven. It's not like the regular command of man. When a man gives a command, he depends on another man to execute it. But when God himself gives a mandate or a commandment, there is a follow-up. There is an overflow that comes from that commandment. Those words become life, and by themselves they execute that commandment. So when you meet the enemies at the gates, it is not the time for you to begin to invoke like what Moses did. Moses, the Bible says, and the Lord said to him, he said, tell them to move forward. Commandment has been given to you. So what we are expected to do, that at the point of contention, your quest to achieve your destiny and to achieve your destination and to achieve your goal in life is not prayer, it is contention. Prayer is for the query site. Prayer is for the secret place. Prayer is for your closet. But when you come out, you bear commandment. When you see the enemy, the instruction is you get out. You leave this place. When you're giving instruction, it's no longer prayer or intercession or talking to God. Now you are coming with the words of God and giving instructions which must be obeyed.